Hey guys, it's Sharon. Welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. Hey everyone, I'm back and I'm so excited, you guys. I know I always say I'm so excited in most of my videos. Yeah, I'm just so excited, you guys, because it's been a while since I uploaded a video here on YouTube. It's always been like that, I know, and I'm so sorry for that. I know this time I've been absent big time, like big time. So I guess it's been like a month or more. More? Yeah, I think so, since my last video was uploaded. Yeah, I'm so sorry, you guys, but it's just been so busy, and aside from being busy, of course, oh my gosh. Wow, what's that? Oh my gosh, can you hear that? The wind is just howling so hard. I don't know if you can hear that. It was just so hard and it's freaking me out. Oh my gosh, Ben, can you stop for a while? Because I need to film this video. Yeah, cool. So where are we? And I think the biggest reason why I wasn't been able to upload videos here in YouTube is that, oh my gosh, I tell you guys, the internet connection here in the Philippines is just freaking me out. It is just so frustrating. Even if I upload just like 6-minute video, it takes 3 days to upload that damn 6-minute video. So I guess that's all that what's been keeping me from posting videos on YouTube. So just a little update on my whereabouts. So today's video is going to be a review on this liquid eyeliner from the company called Malissa Kiss, and it's their Super Black Ultra HD eyeliner, and this is how it looks like, you guys. So I got this one from the Thailand fair at SMCD Cebu, yeah, like 2 months ago. And to be honest, I really been wanting to do a first impression on this one, but since I still have a lot of liquid eyeliners that I need to finish and I don't want to dry it up and waste it, so I am really been trying to keep myself from using this one, and finally I will be having a chance to do or use this liquid eyeliner. So let's try reading what's here at the back, what it claims to be. So here we go. This Easy Glide waterproof. Wow, waterproof. I like it because I like waterproof. Yeah. So here we go. Waterproof eyeliner provides accuracy and smooth strokes, so you'll never miss your lines. The thin and soft tip is easy to use and delivers any look from a thin line to a dramatic bold line with precision. It goes smoothly without skipping, smudging, or pulling, and lasts all day. Wow, that was such a huge claim. Yeah. So it's waterproof. I like that because I have, just for a quick info, I have a very oily eyelids, and I have a hooded eyelid, and if the liquid eyeliner is not waterproof, probably it will transfer here. So I really need something that is super waterproof that will not transfer here, because I have a very extreme hooded eyes. And also there's still something written here at the front. Let's try to read this one too. It says that it also has an ultra sharp bounce brush. What does it mean? I don't know what does it mean, bounce brush. So also it has a cooling, what's this? Cooling copolymer, and a flash UHD ink. So yeah, that's what it claims for. And it also says that it is made in Korea, but I'm a little confused. It is made in Korea, but this is a Thailand brand. So here in the Philippines, it was distributed by the company called IPS Pharmaceuticals Incorporated. Here in Cebu, it is available at Metro Ayala, but you could also find this because they said that it is widely available at PCX, most Metro department store in Manila. So if you are interested in purchasing, those are the stores that you could find this one. So let's try opening this one because I'm excited to watch their... Oh, wow! So this is how the eyeliner looks like. Well, I like this portion here. It's so girly, like the Daisoholic one. My favorite Daisoholic. And I wanted to try to swatch it first. Here, let's try swatching it first. Wow. It's kind of wet. Yeah, but so this is how it looks like. Yeah, you can see it, guys. So I think the finish, it doesn't look matte, but it doesn't look glossy at all. It's like in between. See that? It's like in between. Let's do another swatch, a bigger one. Yeah. So, yeah, that's how it looks like. And I'm gonna try rubbing it off with my finger. Oh wow, look at it, guys. Yeah. Wow. It's not rubbing off. This is a good sign. Wow, I think this is a good sign, but it's not that opaque though. Compared to my Daisoholic ones and my Etude House eyeliner, but it sets pretty fast. So now I'm going to try it on my lids. Be back. So I will just be shaking this. Shake. So yeah, let's try. Oh, I like it. Looks pretty opaque here. Yeah, it glides so smoothly. Well, not bad, you guys. I thought this would be very thin. So I thought that it would be very thin, but as you can see, it's really black. Oh no. Wow, that wind. I'm so sorry if I've drawn it so crooked. Oh my gosh. But yeah, this is how it looks like. It dries. Let me touch it. It dries pretty quickly. Yeah, so let's try applying it into my other eye. So I already applied the eyeliner on my both eyes. So this is how it looks like. It's quite good actually. I like the finish. Yeah, it's not matte, super matte, and it's not glossy. And it dries pretty quick. Yeah, and just for reference, you guys, I have a very oily eyelid, and I have, of course, a very hooded eyes. And the number one problem that I have is that I have a very watery and teary eyes, and if ever something irritating gets into my eyes, I get teary easily. So for my initial thought in this eyeliner is that I do really like it because on first application it doesn't feel stingy at all, because some eyeliners do feel stingy, and if you feel something like that, automatically my eyes reacts to it and it gets wet all over. Wet, oh my gosh, what kind of word is that? So I think I'll just finish the rest of my eye. I will be applying some falsies and I will be back. So I already applied my lashes, and this is how the eyeliner looks like. I must say that I do like the eyeliner, guys. I must say. So that is my initial thought for the eyeliner. I really do like it. It dries fast and it's opaque, super opaque actually. It's so black. So I think that's my initial thought for the eyeliner. I just hope that this will last the entire day. And right now it is 1:14 in the afternoon, so I will be trying to wear this eyeliner like the entire day, like maybe until 7 or 8 this evening, and let's see how this will perform on me. So I will see you later, guys. Hey guys, so I'm back with my final update on the Melissa Kiss liquid eyeliner, and right now it's already 8 in the evening, and I believe that I applied the eyeliner like around 1 p.m. this afternoon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh no. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's been 7 hours since I applied the eyeliner. And yeah, I am here now to do my final update. So before I will say my final thoughts on the eyeliner, I just wanted to add this one, guys, because I think I forgot to mention this at the beginning. So the eyeliner has 0.6 gram content in it, and this costs like around 200 pesos something. I forgot the exact amount, but approximately 200 something. Like with my other liquid liner, I wanted to test it with water, so to see if it's really waterproof. So I'm just going to swatch another line back my hand, because I really did a lot of stuff today. Yeah, it's not that hot today, it's a little cold, but I did a lot of things like household chores. I clean, and I did get pretty sweaty, so yeah, like sweat all over. So I am going to spray some water in it. So I have here a spray bottle that has water in it, and I'm going to spray it with water, and let's see. So as you can see, I sprayed water on top of the eyeliner, but wow, it did not smudge. But I will spray again and try to rub it. So that's what happens. Yeah, if you are not going to rub it, it will not come off. But if you start to rub the liner, definitely it comes off. So I guess I'm ready to say my final thoughts on this eyeliner. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm so sorry if you could hear the frogs outside. I just cannot prevent it from, making noises, because they are frogs. And of course, from time to time, there will be thunder. Yeah, I'm so sorry for that. So going back with the eyeliner, I guess we need to talk about the pros first. Yeah, I think I wanted to talk about the pros first. So the first pro will be this eyeliner is really very opaque, guys. It is super black, and I like it so much because it's really black. It's true black, and also it is so true what they say here, that it really glides effortlessly. Yeah, I do believe that, because when I was applying it earlier, I could really I wasn't struggling when I was applying it, and the first time that I draw it there's a lot of there's not too much product. It's just right that I could really draw a line, so it's very opaque and easy to apply with. And what else? Oh, it says it's smudge proof. Yeah, definitely it is smudge proof, because a while ago, like the entire afternoon, I was sweating. I was doing something, and I was really sweating a lot, and I was surprised because the eyeliner did not transfer. So as you can see, guys, I don't have any transfer, and I don't have pandas here. Yes, I am so surprised that this eyeliner did not do that. considering that I was really sweating and I feel like a little itchy on my eyes, and I was like, oh my gosh, I think my eyeliner's all over the place. But when I checked on the mirror, I did not see any smudge at all. So as you can see, there's nothing, there's no transfer. And yeah, what else? I could really say that it is long lasting. Yeah, it is true what it claims to be. It's very long lasting, considering that I have a very oily eyelid and very hooded eyelid. Yeah, it really did last the entire day for me. So now let's talk about the cons. So you've seen earlier that I did a water test on the eyeliner, and the eyeliner came off when after I spray and rub it with my fingers. It's so different from my Fast Show, Etude House, and Daisoholic eyeliner because I tested it under running water and I tried to rub it off, but it did not rub it. But this one did rub off. But if you're not going to try to rub it off, definitely it will stay in your eyes. Like this one, I was sweating, even though this is not waterproof, but still I still consider this as waterproof because I was sweating so hard, but I did not touch my eyes, so the eyeliner stayed intact. So it's a little bit a con, but a little bit of a pro, because if you're not going to touch it, then it will not fade or go away. So what else? I think I don't have, yeah, I think that's the only con that I have on this eyeliner, surprisingly. So my overall thoughts on this eyeliner, definitely I recommend it. I was surprised with the performance of this eyeliner because somebody told me that this eyeliner smudged all over on her, so I was really skeptical on trying this one, but luckily it did not smudge on me. And yeah, this is the proof, guys, it's still intact. Yeah, definitely highly recommend this eyeliner from Malissa Kiss. And if you are interested in buying this, you could check their store here in Cebu, which is in Ayala, at Ayala Center, Cebu. And they also have a lot of stores or branches or kiosks in all metro stores in Manila. So if you live in Cebu, you can go to Ayala Center if you are interested. This is only 200 pesos, guys. Of course, I am so happy that I have a new great find with this eyeliner. So yeah, better check the Malissa Kiss liquid eyeliner, guys. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you find this helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to hit the like button. Please like it, guys, so that others could see, and maybe they are searching for a very good eyeliner and affordable at the same time. So make sure to like, guys. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope to see you on my next video. And always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. So I hope to see you on my next video, guys, and I love you always. Bye bye.